Hey, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a very unique and bizarre DIY craft project, and I've done one in the past, but my best friend fell in love with it, so I let her have it. She can have everything. I love you, by the way. So this is my second one, and you can make one if you want one now, because we're gonna walk through the process. But it's a cherry toilet bowl brush cleaner. Oh, isn't that great? Look at this thing. I love it. I'm like, why do you have to have an old stinking dirty yucky looking toilet bowl brush cleaner when you can have a cherry? I love this thing. And look, I blinged it out too. And look, it has little bling everywhere. I know. Okay, so the first thing I did when I got this cherry toilet bowl brush cleaner is I thought it looked a little cheap, so I wanted to paint it with my acrylic paint, like a dark green and like the darker red, just to kind of give it a coating and a cover that would look better in my opinion. And then I'm going to bling it out. And included at the end of the video, I thought it would be fun to add in some of the most bizarre toilet bowl brush cleaners that I found. So, enjoy!